I hope you're doing well. I know this video is definitely a different style, a different sort of formatting from the content that I usually do. But let's be real, I'm just making these to get all of my shit out. Just kind of, in a way, mindfully becoming aware of my life and everything around it, analyzing our situation currently with the economy, with relationships, whatever. So my point that I want to evaluate in this video is nothing more than just to say that we need to become more comfortable with ourselves. It always seems that we think we've fucked up so much. We think that irreversible damage has been done. How many times, though, does that need to be iterated to the point where it's definitely for sure sounding like the most untruthful thing you've ever heard? You get what I'm saying? I know that was very unscripted. Hey, you know what? This is, like I said, raw emotion right now. Just trying to get something out of it. I definitely applaud the people on this platform that put their emphasis in their content creation, and they have their way of demonstrating their art. I'm literally talking in a microphone so you can hear my voice clearly. I have some visuals. I know this is a little shaky, but these are places that kind of put me at a peace of mind. But alright, I'll end it there. Take care of yourself, alright? Sleep well. Eat the right food. And hydration is always important. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.